Did you know that Rendora can now create 3D avatar, put in any 3D scene, use different camera angles, make them talk with different expressions and body movement, and the best part is that you can customize the face, outfit, and animate without rigging. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to use Rendora AI to do all that I just mentioned. Once again, welcome back to Ray Creators Lab, where we bring you all the latest AI and online tools to streamline your daily workflow. To get started with Rendora, follow these steps. To use Rendora, go to Rendora.ai, then click on Login/Register. Now, sign up with your email address. Once you have signed up, you will be brought to this interface. Then, click Create to start your project. To create your 3D avatar videos, here are the steps you need to take.
Even with just a few scripts, it's still possible to quickly create a high-quality 3D video. Here's how. Step 1. Open Rendora. Click on Create New to create a new project. Select your favorite scene on the left side, expand to check out more scenes in different categories. Step 2. Choose your avatar. Rendora offers a wide variety of avatars. You can always find the avatar that meets your expectation. Step 3. Tap to add a clip, then enter your scripts and click on 3D Generate. After a few minutes, your video should be good to go. If you'd like to display images or videos corresponding to your scripts, click on Upload above the clip. Then tap on 3D Generate again. Your media will now be displayed on the screen. Isn't it simple? Now, you can directly export your 3D video, or go to CamEdit, a place to fine-tune your camera shots, or fully presenting contents on the screen. Not satisfied yet? Go to Elements, where you can easily edit media and add some text to create rich, high-quality packaging effects. For more detailed adjustments and advanced features, we'll be covering them one by one in our upcoming practical tutorials. Stay tuned.
Now let's look at what makes Rendora special and why you would love to use this AI tool. First, Rendora is a revolutionary AI model. It turns a script into 4K 3D video in minutes with 3D avatar and environment.
Welcome to our company culture training. Next up, innovation. We love fresh ideas. Every team member is valued. Innovation drives us to always look for better ways to work and grow.
Secondly, Rendora gives you free credits to work on your projects, so have fun creating. You can choose from over 2,000 3D character or build your own. You have the privilege to customize the facial features, outfit, the hair, makeup with the presets. There are hundreds of high-quality 3D scenes in the library to choose from. You can also decide to create your own studio. You can customize camera angle for each shot. You can also add graphics. Render 4K video directly. If you enjoyed this video, kindly support me by subscribing to my channel, like and share this video. Don't forget to turn on the notification for more videos. Feel free to tell me what you think about Rendora in the comment section.